All right, it's going to take me forever to post to make these listings on eBay, but you know, there's so many of these cars that some collectors, there's a lot of collectors, they don't have one of these. This is a royal, kind of royal. I don't remember which one is, but it's here is the serial number. Here is another one in yellow. See, kind of royal logo. I don't remember. I'm gonna find out later. But I've been finding a lot of these cars, so we're gonna continue documenting our finds. There are hundreds and hundreds of cars. I think this one is from Percy and Balloon something. Cool design. It's a flatbed truck with a balloon. You can spin it. Okay, nice. Yeah, so I'm finding a lot, and I mean a lot. Now we have a ladder car. I think one of these came, you can find them with bell. I think it's bell, and I don't remember which other model comes with this. You can turn this little hose or gun. I think it's a gun. Water gun. Obviously, here is the serial reference number. I think it's a manufacturer part or something. Yeah, the wheel spin. This kind of very slippery surface. Now, I don't know if this one, I have another one right here. Yeah, it's the same manufacturer part. Now, the ladder you can turn 360. Oh, no, it's not 360. There is a stop right there. This other side too. Water gun also turns. Now I found this caboose, or they call it brake band somewhere. I don't remember. Maybe it's from Boko. Boko, let me know. It's been a long time. I used to just buy in bulk, sell the engines, and kept all the cars, or wagons, trains. Never sold them. But now I am trying to get rid of everything. Yeah, so yesterday I think I was posting a lot of cargos. Today I'm trying to post maybe 50, trying to make 50 listings. I don't remember if I already sold some of these in the last couple of months. But over the years, yes, I sold a lot. Now I put a paper sticker, paper face to make it a custom, like a troublesome truck. That's a nice one. Another truck, we put the sticker paper face from a troublesome truck. Yeah, definitely I need to start making videos and show the finds I have, because I have a lot of finds. Made a lot of these also. Tipping car, I think it's other lumber company. Yes. Now the next one also. So there's so many variants, different colors, shades. I also put a face on this one. Now this one I do not remember in which set this was shown, but it's a nice one. Now I have another one. I put Todd face here. It looks okay. I mean, if you put the face on now let me tell you, when I started about 4 or 5 years ago, I started putting sticker paper faces. I think it was over 5 years ago. Even before I started on YouTube, I noticed that a lot of kids, they used to put a piece of white paper and tape it, clear tape over it, but obviously with a little makeshift face. Then I started to make these sticker paper faces. Now this one I think was from Duncan. Is this a slate truck? Duncan, I think came with, let me see, I assume I had one of these little sheep cargos somewhere. I lost it already. Anyways, yeah, I think it was from Duncan and something. Now I have this Sodor Coal Depot. These do not flip. There are some designs that they do flip. This one does not flip at all. Yeah, definitely I need to keep looking for whatever I have in stock. I mean, in storage. Now I've seen some of these. Yeah, just go and check the eBay. Yeah, definitely they sell for $10 plus shipping. Some they don't sell for $10. I'm talking about this one, Kerman's Gate Mining Company, and others they sell for $6.99 or something. They sold. You can see those on eBay. If you go to check the sold items, Now we have an ice cream factory and like a long version of these trucks. See, it's a little longer than a regular truck. I think I have some of those somewhere. I'm talking about the, Vans ice cream factory. This one, look, now here's one that does have a flipping cargo. I don't really remember. Now, when this goes through a special track, it makes it flip. This is I don't see a lot of this. I haven't seen a lot of this. I've seen like I think it's silver color. Now this one I don't recall, but I guess I'm going to do some research with these numbers, and then we're gonna find out what set this is part of. But definitely finding a lot. Now here's a yellow truck. Yeah, here's the reference. If you want to find or figure out where this came from, you gotta check this part right here. I found this one. It's in really nice shape. Rough, not bad. It's a boxcar Southern Candy Factory. Very cool. And the last one I have, because I'm posting like a 20 listings, I think this one is from Stafford, a set with Stafford, but it's an orange brakeman. Yeah, so check my eBay, links always in the description. I'm posting a lot, I'm making listings.